My people, hey, Ijore don't arrest Onwe Heart. Una know this our brother, whether they call Onwe Heart. Ijore don't arrest am. No be sumati no. Una know that video where be say Onwe Heart do. This picture one that they see for years so. Una know that video where be say Onwe Heart can't do. He can't call Ijore say, Ijore, I'm so disappointed in you. I be the thing say you be pastor. You where be say be pastor, now you they talk ala loe akbe eriyan kala liyin apiko. You know that thing. Now when Heart come do video tell the player and say, he no say na so you be. Why you do this kind of video? Oh, Heart no insult am for that video. Now no say me I do video. I can't use am tell when I say umaye jore na wetin they say me take rob na he drink so na make am na so she dey do. Is atotayo brother Raiwa brother Gerai get totayo oye kerea big na small I be, you know, all those things muye were nyakarawa na all those things na she dey do for her ministry, which Onwe Heart no know. This video where they here you just because now come here say you dey do video take reply Onwe Heart for that video where be say Onwe Heart do take tell am say, you know, say when somebody e not too much know you and maybe they like you for afar, you can't do something, the thing you can't shock and say, Ima Egerioje, then why you do this kind of thing? Now Onwe Heart do. Now Ijore do video to reply him. May I play small for you? Or what your bonny right your bonny jam before I go play this one where be say I put for you. When I see her,
Last year when I went to ministry, in my first for almost 3 years. Wow, the ministry.
They come, wait.
That's who you will.
Wait first.
What kind of car are you the man? Although I say, no, you cut this in favor. O man, that do that against the cutters. No do also we cut this you my one. Abi at your budget in China. Don't worry, no, you know, because the phone on money, what can about Unyo, but my Ubewa, about my coming to Johnny Unia, I can't go there against it.
Insult the papa, insult everything to the extent. I'll play this one where they here for now. You know, now make me at the thought say your head not correct. You understand? Person like Onwe, not the person where they do saga. I believe same person where be say, even Onwe, even they call her mommy self. He get one video where be say Onwe Heart do say like address her. Don't say I see that video. Now it was he bless say he join Onwe Heart join Ijore that time. He get what still happen, you know. Maybe Ijore not see. Ijore not come and tell and say thank you, my brother. Because of say Onwe Heart do this one now, tell and say, me I don't understand. You where they call yourself pastor. Now no say Ijore say be prophetess. Mother don't vex. Una no say they call herself saying she be prophetess. So now that in a ginger Onwe Heart can say, how you go? You will be say he say pastor. Maybe you want to say prophetess. You just they talk say she be prophetess. You don't use the matter they talk all the time say she be prophetess. Now make Onwe Heart can't do that video. If you join a person where be say still get sense, she be for not even replying. You go say now because of the way I tell address myself. Now make her can't talk that thing. Or my head pastor prophetess or I take me. So, you can't do video. This video long, I don't want to play this one. This short one where BCIC say them cut. No one listen to what you already said Onwe Heart. May we listen.
Anybody know address or why you go? Yeah, you better make example. Why you address or 100,000 naira? They cannot stage. Well, I'm going to play with Victor Noya is such a human you one of Paris.
Gunu we imanamu when he jolly one of Paris. In where mu. I remember where Gunu Jeniya. How many they don't arrest you. Now because you say they Nigeria, now you say umanamu we 100,000 we mu we 100,000. Amano no wuri 100,000. No maya mu no kama we. Don't tell me 100,000 ya mu we ya make sure he mu we wa do most of do tenata. You are not from here. The 13 person where they Nigeria say when me we manire Nigeria say ya level se manire we bu. Abi you don't know because of say you there abroad. For your mind. Because he talk wetin he talk, you know insult you. Well, how can I move do with mine? Abi you don't know. If you see, when I listened to the other video, the video was so, like, horrible. The thing they even the son me for inside ear. Ya te bon right te bon je te be nye te bon we le video ni ya. Imana mu wa we gi ijore go me no ru we ma en we ji. O ge Chris person no ru we you the Chris. Inu e wo emu we e na Matthew we ji. Ayemu we. Megu we gwan we ke do ate bon me arrest we ne. Uzuwo e no me social media no. Abi o wo you no we ta where you be prophetess. A prophetess no we nyewa to tayo a brother akpolo a brother nyewa guess is stand of your walk bele ya now you dey talk all so now what you say for media now we listen
you only want your boy because a boy if you don't get touch you that's it over here now maybe can the gwagwa ya mama na me Mr.
So if you journey ni ewu ni no ya kama we ye wa dey disappointed be mi no ta we ala lek enya la ni ala luwe ni ya la lo ni ya wono na o dey disappointed o ma tie bonu hey so the thing touch you ya no wa gbo e black and blue iwo o ma touch you we dem no wa ladian you know wetin good for you as you just come out like say you just come on wa mu popo na wa gbeju ohun ona mu gbeba na gbeju ahara ona si we hian wo to you will never cough wo to asen wo be go egbon because no na ladian na address we say doma no me nwa he wo reply o ma tie bonu we wa si aye abeg o ma ro bien ma we no na to le ladian una ru le ladian gbe wa do gbe o ma no address o ga barriere 100,000 you are spending shut up on me go ne mabule na you be on me go ne mabule dem no when heart it am away I no quick see this video as person send down come give me say vemi no get video no in a way or reply if we na dey gie ladian may we just hear na listen
the sadina ya feel pe yo iwu no mo gbe me imago we gbo the video imago la gbo imago ju wa gbo imago wa gbo no any address or get why send the WhatsApp go 100,000 naira dama
yo be veva kokunu unu we are say dian o ma no ehin address on we atiyan gwa lo hian na mana wa no we o we gwa address ehin wa the picture man ogbalegbe wa call any inspector see where na this boy dey fine nobody no know when heart eri egbele o we wan go arrest am see wetin he do umene because he go many no many also we you think say Nigeria now because you there abroad you can do anything you like arrest am for what because of hama why you dey talk something like this of yan wo ho yan no gbo ekege do ade yan si we lo pe si we lo pe mi na o ma mi ro gba o ma arrest yan o ma no wuri o wo no wuri 100,000 ya belije o ma ya arrest wa ri o emi dan toyi o ma go no zuwa wa arrest ya arrest ni
pick you we wa no azigo seka Igo ni meridi say igo me do my na no we
show na de ye na abe salt and water no re regbeto o we go no wazere enye ya arrest onwe at o we hinye so no fon file kwai sa lo bua na egu me o me go ne mabule o me go no zuwa onyo ekewe jina onyo kewe jina we to ya arrest onwe hat because of who we go na go on social media you know they talk to people no be waiting they not call you now you dey move for all corner waiting they not even call your name you go sit down you go come they use the direct they talk in arrest we for there yan gbo we yan gwa law say France there nobody ever find you they no me on we heart no ave man we social media was on na ta wa do arrest okpa we ma or wa do gbe ma ugi ma na yo ogian we ya han we ma bana get so kwe emi anti e we get a depression what we gbe high because of now we heart e we saga egun ona ro le ladia he get level pass you because you there for abroad you call the who mati e sorrow no ma je we bo yan me level pass you we because you there abroad wazuwa what you know you arrest listen my god
but you sigo seka kigo ni ri seka ya u ha ogba
nyama
de 500,000 sell 500,000 u ha me ogba because say ma offend you
ye ma offende any amatin ye is ah the on ya we ya be do mu we tin we gbe yo to am arrest we I say they arrest we nia am arrest we I swear oh mama no arrest we ro uje unya arrest I say arrest we so the na tamu we na we not yet be a pastor's a pastor a prophetess or me oh when we arrest na ya arrest na no give ma the social media na go away ya arrest ya we to wa rule gwa address or picture is okay only picture only picture is okay ya ni industry ya amu ya le no ma ya we do hera ide kebu we okay that person where they do film okay that person where they do drama ya wa ya umani that dress one ogyan ba number 1 umani that dress wa the picture ka mo gba legbe we to do arrest anu ki o ka no se no arrest nonsense wa zo wa me no zo ana na we no be mu won ya ewo ne ma de dege ne
Uwa no wakato te no e gi makina what time so you guys you not right here I claim it right here ya wrong go pa na slow you got right it this time du jour
writing well we writing ya the 100,000 or more no be e Facebook ma ye je ko no de ade mama mi ohun mama mi ota mama mi akara mama mi odun mama mi odo odo ni sanre writing you funny you know say sometimes we know they like to they talk about your matter because we know say kilometer e dey because they kilometer wetin we I tell you we be say people where they media where we never tell you wetin we I tell in kwe the address we say self when ya or social media we want make we talk have a gbo buy but we just leave you say no nerere magbana only agboya ige we me wan no wa total wa me say to ijode why do you do this because I we kilometer brain you know the function autono side down so I mean not that when why arrested woman set he arrested my egele we woman arrested woman arrested no age the social media na do we am keri ya oji am out wa de gun ato try yourself may you see try yourself no gbalegbe no ya arrest ni egbe kan ni oko media aize gbera egbija gbe edogbonoje ya fefe because we no we ni dan am I arrest we am I hu we ye kan pa na fi sign fo wa we ro don ma dogu we gun we e minister arwa onu muhia o ma no we minister ma te keke no gun ameria na o ya arrest try yourself try yourself nyama amati ebon we na wala jono do ati ebon wa gwa lo ma no address o gehia we to ya arrest umego
God yeah okay what's the name na gwi everywhere journal no mu na jave Facebook wa everywhere journal everywhere to survive you know when I'm with baby yana you want people to talk about you you want to go viral you want food to eat how do you wear dress today yana everybody get your own side. If you don't love my content, don't watch me.
Obege. Now they can talk and say this is your it color sometimes. If not somebody will be say yeah they okay. If you just come and say on my art, a content in you. I don't know what there any a content why away the time. If I better pass this one, I will hire arrested. Now this one, I make me say me. I can't tell you say go bucket. Oh, no address again. You arrested. Everybody they do content. You do the content. We now make us we not even the measure again because sit down put a pariela dian. Okpoloa then they carry your bottom. And everybody don't know say a content or ya. Now make can nobody even they talk to you. That make me even come and talk say oh I never know you. O me we no be na ni anwe e ma na o me no je e give we message dog we o wa so le na dey say won go arrest am I was like arrest who inu gba ninu we gbe yo to am arrest we jo ama mo we jo so record no na Nigeria Any voice, no ya go egg one, no one arrest eh. See, and ya kebanas you bonjour wow. Oh, now you kill a deal. Try yourself, may we see. My people, make I leave this video for you. As I see this video, the thing just they follow me. I say, what is the what they log or na? Uhuni ya when we muo or ya wone or ya wone na once na you tino. Now once na you tino. You the arrest on my heart. Umana arrest eh. Ya arrest eh because of go egwa. I mean man we go gwa kegenya because ya arrest when. No sense. Me arrest when me go egwa de. Eh? Me tie bon we. Why arrest na so easy eri wagele we menye we on me go ajigo ya nya obi ogwa ojugu nya o make ho try yourself okay nonsense and why go egwa almost we ni na ya go egwa ye gbe we la wo gwa ama arrest we go han ya arrest ma wa zuwa ebo ji ye be mi na ilo abe make I live on a bo na bye bye.